Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm just going to do a quick review of the CK2610 on chains on all four tires. This thing is unstoppable. I basically live on a mountain, and so if you're wondering if you want to put chains just on the back or on the front of your unit, I could tell you, if you want to get anywhere, put them on all four. This thing is an animal. About 1.5 feet of snow dropped. That's a straight up hill. I was able to go right up there with the tractor because it has chains on all four tires. You have tons of traction. Even in the big stuff, it'll sit on top and just peck away at it. And as you can see, I did a big circle going up this hill right here, up and around, and then came back down. I like to just have this so I can get up around in my property on my side-by-side. Don't have to get stuck. So yeah, I'm just going to take you down here and just show you how actually steep this is. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera here, but you can see I am on a mountain. And this CK2610 cab, I got a plow on the back, I got my bucket on the front, and as you can see, a lot of snow it went through. Very impressed. So if you guys are humming and hawing, if you're going to put chains on the front or the back, I say go for it and put them on all four. I'll just give you a little look-see. They are excellent chains. They're not cheap, but you know what? If you're just running it on snow, they're gonna last a long, long time. Mine basically have no wear, and this is my 3rd season with these chains. So, simply amazing. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one.